Hi, good morning everyone. Today we will go ahead and answer activity number 4, right? So, my file is in music, sample3.java. I will compile it by typing java c sample3.java. So I have no errors. I will now run it, java sample3. Okay. So first thing that should come out is again the product. Type in here, let's say, t-shirt is the product. The price will be 500, say 1,000, right? I will buy 5 pieces, okay? And then after you type on 5, it's giving you the total of the amount that needs to be paid. So it's now asking for the customer's money. So let's say the customer has 7,000. When I press enter, it should generate the, after 7,000, it generated the receipt. So the receipt goes like this. Product, we have the t-shirt, price, the 1,000. Quantity, I selected 5. I mean, the customer wanted to buy 5 pieces. So if that's the case, meaning the total amount to pay is 5,000. And then we are asking for the customer's money, which is 7,000. So the change is 2,000. All right, so this is mainly the output. Everything that's starting here to here is the output. So the question, how did we program this one? So let's go ahead and check on the syntax. So this is the syntax, complete syntax. So again, number one, we need to, it's important that we uh, type here import java.util.Scanner at the very top of our notepad. Okay, if you're using NetBeans, it should be at the very top. Next is, of course, the class, and of course, the class name and the file name must be the same. We have the public static void, all right, and then the scanner. So I have here the scanner. I only have one scanner. I received some screenshots sent to my email or my messenger. There are people creating multiple scanner. My question, why? Right? So all you need to do is just create one scanner, okay, generate a variable here, and this is your or variable or container A, and this is your scanner. So since I wanted to when I click on run, the first item to show is enter product. So that's why I type in here enter product, right? And then after enter product, it's letting us, if you can still remember, right? See, enter product. So that's why I have this printed here, system, because this is the first thing that needs to be going out to our program. So System.out.print enter product. And since, as you can see, there's a blinking part here, that means we will activate scanner. So that is why after that, we selected another variable here, which is string, because we wanted to put here the input alphanumeric characters, right? Or numbers or names, right? So that is why we selected string here, and we have prod as our variable. Okay, and then after that, the function of a, which is the scanner, a dot next line. Next line if we are using string. Then after that, the value that everything that we put in here, the value of that is going to be prod. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in here, let's say fish. So the value now of prod is equals to whatever we input here. And the one that we inputted here is fish, then prod is equals to fish. All right. So let me press enter. So when I press enter, it's asking for the price. So if it's asking for the price, meaning we need to input again or system.out or print another text here, which is enter price. So that's why when I press enter, this came out because of this one. The next one is it's asking now again to input another characters here. That's why we have this because of the A here. And since this is price and we are expecting to input here number, that's why I declared an int variable with, int data type with a price variable. So since this is going to be a string, we have it nextInt. Okay, remember that the string is nextLine. So it's nextInt. Alright, so that's why whenever we put in here, let's say 10 pesos, okay, 10 pesos is equals to price. Alright, so after that, we'll press enter, same thing that we did here. Alright, so the value of this part here is the value of quant. Okay, so that is why when I press on enter, notice that it multiplied the amount here, 10 and 2. Because after quant, what I did here is I created a syntax here, a formula, okay, to multiply price and quant. Remember, price here is the value of whatever we inputted here. And quant here, this one is the value of whatever we inputted under quantity. So price times quant, notice when I create the equation here, the value of that answer is now equal to total. Then after that, I let it printed by saying total equals total plus the value of total, which is price times quant. So that's why it show here 20. But it did not stop there because after System.out, I created another System.out, okay, to show or to ask to print customers money here. So it's asking to input customers money. So again, notice there's a forward slash n. The reason why I put that there so that customers money will go down. It will not go in line with 20. Next, after that, I have another scanner. Since we were trying to input again another character here, let's say we put here 1000. Then the value of this one, whatever we input here, is now equals to money. So after that, when I press on enter, so you can see it printed this part here. Okay, so here's the thing. Here's what I did. So I created first a formula, an equation with regards to money, which is the value of the one we inputted here, minus total. Total is where it is the answer of price times quant. So basically 1000 minus 20 because this is the formula. Okay, 1000, which is the one we inputted here, minus total, which is 20. So the answer is the change should be 980. So since this is the one that I wanted to have it out, the output, so that's why I have several system.out here. Okay, so system.out forward slash n, and so that we have a big space here, 2 lines. This represents 2 forward slash n. All right, and a big asterisk, I mean several asterisks here to generate this part here. I just copy pasted it here so that the one that will be seen here is equal. All right, and then system.out receipt, so and so. So that's how we create our syntax for creating this output. So if you have any confusions, any questions, please don't hesitate to PM me. Once again, let me repeat this back to you guys. If you want to submit your answers, please, so that I can go ahead and reply if your syntax is having an error or if it's not working. Please send a screenshot right away. You can send a screenshot using your PC. You can go to snipping tool and then click new and then have it like this, and then send it to my messenger or email so that I can respond to you right away. Okay, so that should be all for our activity number 4 answer. And if you have questions again, suggestions, please feel free to comment down below in the description. All right, thank you so much, guys. And if you like this video, please subscribe and put a thumbs up. All right, so watch out for lesson number 5. We will be talking about uh, conditional statement if else. All right, I know you guys are excited. Please watch out for the video. You have a wonderful day. Bye.